Grilling is a learning process. There are two main kinds of grilling methods: cooking over direct heat and over indirect heat. As a beginner, it's easier to cook over direct heat, but the process is also different depending on what type of grill you have. It's simply placing your food on the grate and cooking directly above the heat source. Here are some expert tips for grilling in direct heat. 1. Create a consistent heat when using a charcoal grill. You would want a consistently hot and even heat under your grates the entire time you're cooking. To achieve this, the trick is to arrange the hot coals in an even layer at the bottom of your grill. This way, your food will cook evenly no matter where you put them on the grill. 2. Use thin cuts of meat. With direct heat grilling, food tends to cook more quickly. That's why it's best to cook thin cuts of meat and small pieces of vegetables when using this method. The temperature usually reaches 450 to 650 F, and if you cook thicker cuts of meat with this method, it would typically result to burning the outside with the inside not yet fully cooked. 3. Turn only once. To perfectly grill thin cuts of meat using the direct heat method, just treat it as sautéing meat on a pan inside your kitchen. Turn once and keep an eye on your grill to avoid burning a side. 4. Use high or medium heat only on gas grills. If you're using a gas grill, make sure to turn on all the burners to achieve a uniform temperature under the whole cooking surface. The burners should be set not lower than medium heat, for thin cuts of meat. High heat can be used for cuts 3/4 - 1 inch thick. It's best to put the hood down while cooking to ensure even doneness. Check the food from time to time to prevent burning or overcooking. 5. Keep your food moist while on the grill. When using the direct heat grilling method, the temperatures are high, which could dry out your food quickly. Spray meat with water and avoid using a fork to turn your meat. This will pierce into the flesh and allow juices to escape. Use tongs or a spatula to turn your meat, which will help keep it moist throughout cooking. Follow these 5 expert tips for grilling in direct heat. Thanks for watching. Please check out previous videos, I know you'll love it too. Click the free subscribe button before that getting paid and hit the bell icon for upcoming fantastic cooking tips and facts. Bye!